trailer rental service in Calabash, North Carolina. Moving made easy. Our trailers are the key to a stress-free move. At Lazy Iguana Dump Trailer Service, we're here to simplify your transition with a reliable and affordable trailer rental service in Calabash, North Carolina. Whether you're relocating to a new home, tackling a DIY project, or need help hauling away debris, we have you covered. Lazy Iguana Dump Trailer Service makes every load easier so you can focus on what matters most. Why choose Lazy Iguana Dump Trailer Service? It's simple, we provide a flexible, customer-first approach. Our trailers are delivered directly to your location, saving you time and energy. We're just a call away and ready to assist with your rental needs. Happy customers are at the heart of everything we do. With our trailer rental service, you'll get the support you need from start to finish. Our trailers are great for decluttering, landscaping projects, and construction cleanups. When you're done, we'll take care of the rest, making cleanup hassle-free. Ready to move? Call Lazy Iguana Dump Trailer Service today at 980-499-0135 and experience the easiest trailer rental service in Calabash, North Carolina.